Late fall fishing in cold weather can be really rewarding, but it does have some do's and some don'ts that come with it. On the way to the ramp this morning, it was 17 degrees air temperature. One of the benefits of that is traffic and the lack of people out fishing. More people are geared toward hunting this time of year. Some of the things you don't want to do, though, related with cold weather fishing like this, is those of us with bunk trailers get used to coming into the boat landing and unhooking everything and backing down the ramp, and our boat will stay there just fine. When it's cold like this, depending on the last time you launched, your bunks might be frozen and all iced over. And there's 1 or 2 times a winter when I see boats come in, unhook, and unfortunately they start backing down the ramp and their bunks are glare ice and they slide right off the back. So that's one of the don'ts. Another thing that will help you and the next guy to the ramp is draining your trailer at water's edge, because when you back in, everything gets wet, and if you come pulling right out and the air is this cold, it freezes immediately to the ramp and just creates a slick surface. Going to cause trouble for you to get out later and possibly the next guy to slide right into the water. So always drain your trailer after you've unloaded your boat and loaded your boat when you're pulling out. It's just going to help the next guy down the line. It's always a great idea to carry some sand, maybe some ice melt with you in the vehicle just in case that ramp does get slicked over. These are just the little things that can make your experience cold weather a lot more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.